Hello traders, Raymond Opoku with WithATrade.com here once again with the weekly Forex forecast. Sorry for any inconvenience I caused you guys last week since I couldn't update you with what was up for the week. I was facing some hardware problems, but then they are all solved now. Let us move on to what we have for the weeks since there are some good setups on some very carefully selected GBP pairs, which are in the GBPUSD, the GBPJPY, and the GBPAUD. Let us start with the GBPUSD that is already on the screen. For the GBPUSD, we can see a market in an uptrend, but now it seems that the GBPUSD is facing some bearish strength over here at the market top because we have a flag at the top of the market, which is very indicative of bearish strength. But then bearish strength wouldn't be confirmed until we go below the support of the flag and this very horizontal level that comes in at the 1.30484. So for the GBPUSD, a break below this confluence of support would render this pair bearish. Until then, the GBPUSD remains weakly bullish. The GBPJPY also has a market structure similar to that of the GBPUSD, and it comes as no surprise since both pairs are positively correlated. We have a GBPJPY that is in an uptrend already, and that is currently consolidating. The consolidation pattern that has formed over here is a head and shoulder pattern. We have a left shoulder, a head, and the right shoulder over here. And then we have a neckline that is in confluence with a horizontal support level, which comes in at the 138.216. So in the coming week, if the GBP/JPY manages a close below this level, we might be in for a longer term downtrend. So a break of the head and shoulder pattern will determine the next direction of the GBPJPY, but as long as GBPJPY remains above this very confluence of support, the bulls will still remain in control and the current head and shoulder pattern would be invalidated. Finally, on to our last pair that we'll be looking at for the week, the GBPAUD. This very forecast is actually timed against the GBPUSD and GBPJPY in anticipation of a weak British pound. That is correlation that will be at play. We have a GBPAUD that is moving in a rising market structure. As long as the GBPAUD remains within the confines of the market structure, the bulls would remain in control. But for my bias for the GBPUSD and the GBPJPY, I would be looking for a GBPAUD close below this very support level of the rising market structure. If that comes in, then the bears would also be at play on this pair as well. So that is it for the coming week. I wish you a profitable trading week and see you next week for sure.